Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you a few camera tips and tricks for the Nokia G22. Of course, I'm talking about the camera tricks, so let's open the camera application. And first of all, when we are in the photo mode, we are able to take photos by using the volume buttons. They are located on the right side. Take a look. You can click volume up or volume down and you are going to take photo. When you click and hold one of this button, let me show you right now, for example the volume up, we are going to record video. As you can see, it's recording right now. And it works the same for the shutter. So when you click and hold shutter, you are also going to record short video. Next, we can tap in this place to add some beautify to our photo. And just basically make our photo a little bit smoother. When you want to unlock more features, for example, the zoom feature, so you can just click between 1x and 2x, but you can click and hold this preset and you will unlock this slider. So right here we can smoothly zoom in and zoom out with your one finger. It works the same for the video mode. Next we can click on this arrow to get the grid lines and leveler. As you can see right now, it appears on the screen, and the grid lines basically help us to take better composition on the photos. If you want to get more details on the photos, I can recommend you to turn on this 50 megapixel mode. So just simply hold your phone steady, catch focus, click on the shutter to take photo, and wait a little bit. As you can see, that's the quality of our photo. We can find here actually a lot of details. Next, we can go to the settings. Here we can turn off this shutter sound while taking the photos. Let me just decrease the screen brightness. Okay. So we can turn off this shutter sound right here, but we are also able to adjust the long press function. So we can right now take photos. I mean record video, but we can also take photos. So we have to click and hold this button. One more time. Okay, looks like we have to probably reset our camera application. So let's do this right now. Okay, looks like this function it's actually not working with the 50 megapixel mode. Yeah, so to take serious of the photo we have to turn off this 50 megapixel mode, and that's the reason why it wasn't working at the beginning. So yeah, there was this few options. We can also go for the more modes, where you can for example find the macro modes. The macro mode actually. So you can take macro photos with this mode. But honestly, I can tell you that it's not the same quality like using the 50 megapixel mode. Yeah, it's terrible actually. Don't use this option. So yeah, that's all the tips and tricks for the camera on the Nokia G22. Hope you like it.